me see your hand! Let me see your hand!
Well, only the 10 News breaking news tracker was there as this burglar was busted in National City this morning.
And tonight, 10 News anchor Itika Milanes has the just released details behind the takedown that played out in front of our cameras.
You see this guy running through a parking lot? Well, our 10 News breaking news tracker was the first on the scene as the man tried to escape from a failed burglary attempt at the Mossy Collision Center in National City. He ducks out of sight here and reappears on the other side of the fence. Then he gets in his minivan to get away, but he wasn't fast enough. 10 News has learned this guy's name is Roy Ketfon. He's 21 and lives in San Diego. Now, watch as police move in.
Let me see your hand! Let me see your hand! Get out of the car! Hands up! Turn around! Walk back towards me right now! Do not put your hands down! Down on your knees! Down all the way to your stomach! Hands out!
Just in time, another officer pulls up in his cruiser and a third runs up with his police dog. As the officer in the car jumps out and scopes out the minivan to see if anyone else is inside, the cop with the gun makes a dire warning.
Make a move, that dog's gonna bite you. You understand me right now?
Ketfon does exactly what he's told this time, and police move in and cuff him. He looks absolutely defeated and drops his head down. And take a look at this perfectly cut out diamond-shaped hole. It's not clear if Ketfon did it, but it is how he got in and out. Itika Milanes, 10 News.
It turns out a security company had been watching Ketfon's every move from a live feed and called police. They say they saw him trying to break into several cars.